Hey gang, some of the mods have already been done to the truck. One was the undercoating, rust proofing. That's been done already. Then I put on a Paragon tonneau cover, although that needs some minor readjustments still. Then the other thing that I've done is the seat covers, because the crazy lady, mud, hair, I don't know if you can see it, but there's already a bunch of hair in here, and she only rode with me once. And then the other one I did that I got from, oh, come on, focus, that I got from Rob Motive is these seat pulls. Toyota no longer puts them on, but they still have the access nut. So I just made the straps, made two grommets and put them in, one on each side. It's just probably an easier thing to do on the frame of the seat than to pick it up from the side.